LCM of 8 and 24. Prime factors of 8 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2. Prime factors of 24 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. The least common multiple is equal to 192. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 16. 2 times 2 times 3 is equal to 12. 16 times 12 is equal to 192. 24 times 8 is equal to 192. Therefore, the least common multiple is equal to 192. Least common multiple. The common multiple with the smallest value.